So in this video, I want to break down the learning objectives for our course and for week one in more detail. So if you go to our syllabus for the course and then scroll down part of the way, you'll see learning objectives and competencies. So we have basically 5 goals that we want to reach in this course. So the first is to write content-rich, well-organized, and well-edited argumentative essays. The second is to practice using analysis and sources in our writing. The third is to be able to find and locate and evaluate good information and sources to use within our arguments. The fourth is to engage with texts in a meaningful way. What that means is, can you make personal connections with them? Can you intellectually engage with the ideas and synthesize them, analyze them, debate with them, all of that. And then the fifth is basically to just continue to improve in APA documentations and citation style, and then also in grammar. So in addition to these 5 overarching goals that are covered every week, each week has distinct learning objectives that you can find underneath the week in our course. So in the first week, we have quite a few of them. We have students will demonstrate the ability to write a debatable thesis statement, explain why PLFA should not be averse to argumentation, demonstrate college-level paragraph development, be able to write a complete thesis statement, be able to outline an essay, and demonstrate they know how to use APA. Okay, so a lot of goals. So how are you going to fulfill those goals in this week? So what I've done is shown you how these weekly goals match to our course goals, and then how the assignments connect to both. All right. So for writing rich content essays, we don't have any essays due this week, but overall, all of these goals and all the assignments are helping you reach this main goal of the course. All right, so for practice using analysis and supporting materials in writing, we have a bunch of different goals that match that for this week. So the debatable thesis, you're going to be showing you know how to do that within the discussion forum, and then also through exercises 1, 3, 4, and 5. Paragraph writing, which is definitely related to having clear, organized writing. We'll be showing you know how to write clear paragraphs in both of the discussion forums, and the discussion forum, the spiritual life discussion, and then in exercises 2, and also within the sources journal 1 and 2, where you have to write about the source that you found. There's also writing thesis statements. You'll demonstrate you know how to do that in exercise 1, 3, 4, and 5. And then the ability to outline an academic essay, you will demonstrate that you know how to do that in exercise 5, or I should say 5 now. All right, so then the ability to locate information. We don't have a specific weekly goal for that this week, but every week you will have journal entries. So these assignments are always working to help you fulfill this course goal. Then for our 4th course goal, engage with text in a meaningful way. You're going to be addressing the question of why people of faith shouldn't be adverse to argumentation, and you'll be doing that within the spiritual life discussion this week. Then for using APA formatting, we have that as a weekly goal. You'll mainly be doing that through the sources journal this week. All right, so that's just a quick rundown for week 1 of how all of our different assignments that are due this week, how they align with our weekly goals, and then how the weekly goals align with our overall course goals.